Shakshuka is one of my favorite things to make for a weekend breakfast or brunch. At its core, it's just eggs poached in a chunky tomato sauce. In this video, I'll show you how to make a very basic version. For my base, I'm using garlic, onion, and a mixture of spices. I've got a Middle Eastern zaatar mix, some ground chili flakes, garlic powder, salt, and paprika. You'll want to figure on one serving being 2 eggs per person, and on top, I'll be using crumbled feta cheese. Crumbled goat cheese also works well, or you can omit the cheese entirely if that's what you'd prefer. For 2 portions, I'm using a small can of diced fire-roasted tomatoes to build up the sauce. Start out by sauteing your onions and garlic in a little bit of olive oil. I do this over medium-high heat, and this is where you would add any extra vegetables like sliced mushrooms or even diced zucchini. When the onions are translucent, go ahead and add your tomatoes. You may need to add about a half can of water just to thin it out. It depends on what they look like in the pan. At this point, I mix it all together, lower the heat to medium, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, breaking up the tomatoes occasionally. Add your seasonings and cover the tomatoes as they simmer. It'll help them break down faster. When you've got the sauce to the right flavor and consistency, make 2 little wells for each serving and gently add your eggs. Add your cheese on top and then cover the pan. If you want to run a yolk, you'll want to simmer them for about 5 minutes total. Wait a little longer if you want the eggs cooked all the way through. And that's it, you just made shakshuka. Right before I serve it, I like to add some chopped up cilantro or parsley and some freshly cracked black pepper. Serve it with some slices of toasted bread. I'm using a ciabatta loaf, but you can use pretty much anything. There are lots of videos out there about how to make shakshuka, but I think this will give you a good jumping off point. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever had shakshuka before? I'd love to hear from you.